Hello everyone and welcome to Great Coding channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you make sign in and sign up front design using HTML CSS and JavaScript. So let's get started. As you can see, the HTML code that I have already designed, it's so simple, and I'm also sharing the source code and to my GitHub account, and you can get the code and the description below. As you can see, the div part here in the body, the sign up part and sign in and overlay inside the container. No need of any explanation, it's so easy. And link this with actually I named this login CSS login HTML and login JavaScript, and this having a link, and this is the code of a little bit more. So the color, the size inside the body, all parts, title, link, container, and everything is so clear, and you can get from my GitHub account and description below. So this is the a little bit JavaScript file, and finally this is the final result, the sign in. You can register your name, your email, and the password. Done. So thank you for watching and have a fun.